Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. This is more of like grown and sexy vibes. If you love shorter wigs, you're gonna love this wig and you're gonna want to watch this video, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. A few months ago, I told you guys about a new company. It is MyUniwig. Give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, MyUniwig. I have collaborated with them once before. They are a pretty new company. Let's talk about what I have installed today and how I got here, because she's giving gorgeous, she's giving mature, she's giving sexy, she's giving sophisticated, and she's giving you need to buy her. This is my second collaboration with them, so I'm super excited to have them back again on my channel. They make beautiful wigs. The other wig that I reviewed, I believe it was like curly wig. It might have been a Burmese curly. What I actually have installed today is a 20-inch full 13x6. You can part her all throughout, and this is in the body wave texture. It comes with an HD lace. It's also bye-bye knots. Look at this beautiful wig. Look at the knots. So that's what the inside looks like. Because these knots are hand tied, this company ties 1 to 2 strands of hair in each knot, so it looks more natural and realistic. Sometimes 13x6 wigs fit a little big on me. Let's see if this one is fitting big. No, this one is fitting so nicely. Into it right there, right there. I am going to glue this wig down, so I'm just going to remove any of my foundation where I would be laying the glue. I'm going to be using my own glue today. Of course, if you want your glue to dry clear, you got to put it on in thin sections and apply a few coats, so you can't rush the process. So the reason I use my glue a lot in these installs is because it's a medium hold. I can get a couple days worth of holding, but then when I want to remove it, I'm not like putting a lot of products to remove it because it's not like super stuck to my hairline. I'm gonna be the old lady at the nursing home with the wigs that you can just like put on. Kind of like the Golden Girls hairstyles. The ones you just plop on and plop off. That will be me. And that's how it should dry, y'all. Clear. Okay. Moving on to the next section. That's why I cut it in 3 pieces. Lay them in sections. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut the extra lace. And I'm gonna push that area back and add more glue now. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side and then come back. I did melt her down and do the baby hairs off camera just to speed up the process, because I am gonna be curling her, so you guys are gonna see me do that. The wig is looking good. The knots are looking really nice and pretty. So when I curl my wigs, I like to start from the bottom. So for this bottom row, I'm probably gonna curl it into 4 sections, maybe 6. And I'm curling away from my face. Okay, then I'm gonna let it go, and then I'm going to hold it before I drop it, and then I'm gonna drop it. Yeah, so I think we'll do 3 sections on each side. Same thing, I like to start at the top, work my way down as I'm rotating, then curl, and then pull it all the way to the end of the curl. And then using my little grip thingy, clasp, opening that up. If you did have rollers, you can definitely use the rollers if you want the curls to be bigger and more voluminous. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart. Repeat that on this side. For this side, I do it a little bit different, so I go downwards and I roll under. Does that make sense? You have to switch the direction. So if you're doing it on that side, you're gonna curl this way. This side, you're gonna curl that way. So you'll see how that turns out that way. Oh, I did only 2 curls on this side. Okay, that's okay. This is a really big barrel curling iron, so it does create really big curls. Also, you might notice that I'm not using any products on the curls. I'm just keeping it natural for now anyway. I should be able to finish this entire head within 20 minutes. Because that parting space is 13 by 6, you know, really deep. So we really want to like showcase that. Okay, and then this side, this part, we're going to curl it away from the front of our face. I'm gonna go all the way down and then roll. And I'm holding it, and then I'm going to take a pen . So we need some layers in here. beautiful, high quality, top tier lace. This lace matches all skin tones. This lace, you can put the hair back in a ponytail like this, and you can get away with it looking so realistic. What makes this wig so unique is the knots and the process of making it. Typically, to construct a wig, they can construct about 2 to 3 wigs within the same time frame that they would take to construct this wig. Is because these wigs are hand tied. All the knots are individually placed, and I wanted to put the hair back for you guys so you can really see how realistic it looks. It looks so natural. So because they tie about 1 to 2 hairs, it looks so good. It literally looks like it's my hair. So keep that in mind when you're going to the website, because these wigs are handmade and they're made from the highest quality materials that they can find. The hair is absolutely gorgeous as well, super silky, soft, and it's going to be reflected in the price. So I want you guys to know that if you're looking for a reliable, high quality wig that you can have for years, I would definitely check them out, and I'm going to link this wig in the description box. So now I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye now.